Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So how are you all guys? I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. So guys, welcome to the series of confused words. Today I am going to talk about such two words which are commonly used but at times misunderstood. So let us take desert and dessert. So desert with a single letter S and dessert with a double S. So let us understand desert. Desert means a barren land, uncultivated area or Registan. So let us take an example. Sahara Desert is located in Africa. Second example, Rajasthan has many deserts. Moving on to the next word, that is dessert. Dessert means something sweet which is commonly eaten after any meals. For example, I like to have ice cream as a dessert after my meal. You can also make a question, what would you like to have after meal, or which dessert would you prefer after meal? So guys, this is an example of dessert and dessert. Please take care of the pronunciation. Dessert, S is pronounced as dessert and double S is pronounced as dessert. So guys, keep learning, keep watching. Bye bye for now. See you soon.